Okay, we are set up for our first rafter, and you can see it's going to dip down like from the sunroom right here over to there. The roof is going to dip down, but that's the only way I could keep it level on the other side where it goes to the other side. So I think it'll look okay because we're going to have that big post there that will come down to that base right there, that granite base. And we'll have cross pieces in, or supports in. So our base is all ready, very solid. Started off with bigger stones, also used that the grout that had gone bad, gotten too hard, to kind of solidify everything underneath. That big stone that this is on has been there for 30 plus years. And it really doesn't move. It's on, this is dug down from in the hillside where the house is built, so this is down to hard pan or kind of shale stuff. We'll go up the scaffolding. Okay, we're up on top of the scaffolding. So here's the roof will be fastened in. We'll have a board going across here to here. So our first board is going to come from that corner right there, our first rafter, down and sit on top of here. So I needed to be able to sit there while I fasten it in on the other end. The trick is going to be cutting the angle. So I'm going to have to, I'm probably just going to guess them and then modify until I get them. So after we get that one in, this is going to be multiple layers. We're going to start with either a 1x6 and then put 3 1x8s on it, or we start with the 1x8 and then do the 1x6 afterwards. But this will be a major support coming down through here. And then right here down is where our post is. So after we get this first one in, we can then build our post in place, or build some of it and then set it up, and we can fasten it in. Well, actually, we're probably going to need to get a few boards in, or maybe not. I'm not sure. We'll decide that later. But either way, eventually we need the post in. We need the full rafter here, our main rafter, and then we need our, well, then we need our supports. So we really need to get this thing in place. Then we need to come from there over to here, and at that point we can put some more supports in, because we're going to have a support coming off the house here, another one up there, another one here. This one we probably can't put in until after we put in, we'll have a rafter coming right straight down here, and then from there the others will come in to here. After we get this triangle all supported, then we will work on this triangle, the roof. So that's the plan. We're in place, we're ready to start. I need to go to my other job, but we'll get back at this, and maybe, I'm not sure when, we may be gone this weekend, so we may not light into this until we get back from our trip. But everything's in place. It might get wet, it's calling for rain, but it is hemlock. I'm going to set these on the platform for now, so they're less likely to blow off. And that's it. We're ready. Really like our scaffolding. Really changes what you can do.